Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use the table element in dashboards. And access the dashboard in your account, we want to click the edit icon in the top right corner and click add widget, and here under the show by chart type you can see the new table icon right here. So now all your widgets can be transformed into detailed list views offering comprehensive insights at a glance. Let me show you how to do that. Click on table and let's say we want to create a table with opportunities, and let's say open opportunities, select that one, then we can select columns here, can select or deselect all the columns which you would like to see in your new table. This goes from assigned user to status to lead value to the stage in your opportunity pipeline, the email tags created on what date, the pipeline name and the opportunity name. We are just going to keep all of them selected so I can show you all of them. Apply columns. Under advanced settings you have the ability to choose the column by which you want to order the table list. This will help you to easily organize and analyze your information for enhanced clarity and efficiency. So let's say we want to order by ascending, let's say these 10, we want to order by date created on, and then you can also select the date range right here. Further options under date property you can choose as updated on and status change. Under conditions you can also add conditions, for example if the status is open, if the lead hasn't been closed yet, or if it's lost or it's abandoned on. In this case we want to keep open. Hit save, and scrolling down you can see the new table WI is popping up right here. So first you can see the opportunity name, which is the name of the contact, then you can see the assigned user, the pipeline name, the status, delete value, basically all the columns which you've selected ed previously. Now if you wanted to remove text, for example, remember, click on the three dots here, click on edit, click on select columns, deselect tags, apply columns, hit save, and see the tags have just disappeared. If you wanted to move this table further up to the top, just click once on the 6 dots over here and drag and drop it to the very top. Let's hit save changes. There we go. Please note this table chart supports up to 10,000 records per widget. Also, tables are not just static display, they are interactive as well, so you can click on the name within the table itself and get redirected to the actual contact page. Take a few moments, go ahead right now and insert this new table chart into your dashboard so you can stay on top of your game. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use the table element in dashboards. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.